And here we go. Just kind of beat and fill it in there. See a little laser pulses shooting there. There's some cracks on the inside of that ring there. So we're just going to kind of laser them down there. The ring gets a little hot. Now we're going to fill in all these little spots here. This ring has a lot of porosity in it. Porosity is like little pits in the gold. Just this camera a little bit. Okay, that's finished lasering it. Ended up getting in a lot more work on this ring than what we anticipated, though. It's some reason it's got a lot of porosity in it, and porosity is caused from casting. When it's casted, it means it had a lot of dirt in the gold. So we're just going to fill it in and fix them spots the best we can and go on with it. It's kind of hard to hold the camera here and use the laser, but we're getting her. If you notice when I'm hitting, there's like sometimes there's little pits that come up. That's the porosity I'm talking about. When you hit it, when it's hitting and you're hitting solid, that means you're hitting good gold. But when you hit it and it's got a big pit coming up, that means there's like hollow places in the gold where pits were. Kind of hard to explain, but If you're just now learning the laser, you'll figure that out as you use it a little while. But if you notice, our gold's starting to smooth out now. Alright, well there it is.